Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Tasty Meal by Stacy. Today we are making a super delicious dish. We are cooking beef and broccoli with carrots as well. So let's go ahead and start this beautiful dish. We're going to start by cutting the meat. I have 1.5 pounds of sirloin steak. It's thin, so I'm going to just go ahead and cut it in nice pieces because again you can see they are thin layers, so I don't want them to shrink too much in this piece. So I'm cutting them about 1 inch wide. You guys can see this is the size that I cut the beef. To marinate the meat, we're going to start with 2 tablespoons of cooking wine, 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, 1/2 teaspoon of sugar. I have brown sugar. Oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon. 1/2 spoon of soy sauce. Black pepper to taste. I also have 1 tablespoon spoon of cornstarch. Put it in, and 2 tablespoons of water. Now we're going to go ahead and mix it all together. You can either use a spatula or a spoon of your hands to mix this beautiful dish together so that juice get on every little layer of meat. We're going to cover it, seal it tight, 20 to 30 minutes. Let's go ahead and steam the vegetable. There are the vegetables nice and fresh. I'm gonna go ahead and pour water into it, nice boiling water. You guys can do this if you're not sure about steaming. Sometimes it tends to overcook. So this is a way to do it, and for sure, ensure yourself that you're just gonna get the vegetable, the texture that you need and that you will like. We want them to be tender, to be crunchy. So this is it. What I do now is cover it. You can see the steam coming up. You can do this with foil, with wrapping paper, or with any cover that you have. Just let it sit there for about 8 to 10 minutes while you get the meat ready and you're good to go. So we're gonna go ahead and drain the marinade from the meat. Take as much as you can because we're gonna need this later. We're going to put that aside and save it for later. Let's go ahead and start cooking the meat. Put the heat on high and let's go ahead and put 1 tablespoon of oil. I'm using olive oils, guys. You can use vegetable oil, sesame oil, whatever is convenient for you. Move it around. We are into about 2 minutes. So at this point, we're going to go ahead and pour the garlic. We have about 6 cloves of garlic and about 1 tablespoon of ginger. Oh, it smells awesome. Let it cook for about 3 minutes. It's on medium high right now. Guys, it's looking beautiful. So right now I want to go ahead and pour the onion. And my secret, as always, we're going to be putting 1 tablespoon of butter, an extra hint of taste, and it's also going to help the meat to soften up. But the taste is awesome. So let's move it around. Let it cook for 1 minute. This is looking good, guys. Remember the vegetable? Look how beautiful they look. Let's go ahead and pour them in. That looks very good. the sauce that we have left, remember? The marinade from before. Let's pour it. A little extra hint of soy sauce. For color, I would like a little darker. We just let it sit for a minute, and guys, voila. Guys, thank you for being here. Let's try this beautiful dish. Wow, look how beautiful and how nice and clean, and the way the carrots look so perfect, and the broccoli. Let's go ahead and try it. Wow, it's delicious. Let's try one of the carrots. So crunchy and crispy and sweet with the flavor of the onion. I can taste the butter. Guys, this dish came out awesome. It's so tender and crispy. The vegetable, the meat is well done the way I like it, but it's optional. You guys can make it medium or medium rare, medium well. It's up to you, but try the marinade. It came out so good. Please don't forget to subscribe, to like and share my video. God bless. Let's eat.